Hi guys, I'm here to show you what's going on with my Zone 8 tropical plants. I live in Zone 8 in Italy, and I really love everything tropical. Like, I want to move to Hawaii. I love tropical things, and I love plumerias. And so last year I planted about 20 of them or 30 of them. I don't remember right now. But so last spring I did that, and now it's the next spring. I had kept them in a warm place and they were semi-dormant. So these are plumerias, and this is an addendium, a desert rose plant. I haven't ever seen it. I bought it last spring also, or last summer, and I haven't seen it flower, but hopefully this year it will. So these plumerias were semi-dormant during the winter. They're tropical plants and they don't like the cold, and so most of my plumerias rotted out, and this is my second time experimenting with them and growing them from seeds. I tried growing them from cuttings before, but they all rotted. And then it's just cheaper for me to try from seed. So this one started rotting at the tip, and so I cut it, and I don't know if it's gonna survive or put out leaves or new branches. I really hope. I'm just giving it a shot because, you know, it's a lot of work, and I love plumerias, and it's a lot of work growing these, and I don't want to give up on them. This one also, like, look at it. I don't know if it's gonna survive, but it's a Moraine 23 seedling. This one, I don't know what kind of seedling it is. It's a no-name seedling. It doesn't matter because I guess it doesn't matter, but the plants are not true. The seedlings are not true to its plant, to its mother. Okay, this is a Maui Beauty seedling. I think this is gonna make it. Look, it already started putting out a leaf. So these ones were the strongest of the ones, these three. These ones, I think it's this one. Yeah, this one, I had the name on it, but it kind of rubbed out, or it doesn't show anymore. So I'm not sure which variety of seedling it is. This one is Mardi Gras, and the label stayed. This is a Mardi Gras seedling, and this one was doing the best during this last year, and well, yeah, and during the winter. So these guys never went fully dormant. They stayed, you know, semi kind of dormant. This one obviously went dormant. I don't know if it's gonna make it. This one I don't know if it's gonna make it. I think this one is gonna make it. You can see the tip, how it is starting to grow a little. And so if you look outside, here's my balcony garden. I'm showing you the balcony. I can open the door and show you. And it's unusually warm this year. And so a lot of my plants have started to grow. Here I have a David Austin rose bush. It's Evelyn. I have a lot of daylilies and lilies that are gonna grow. Here are some daffodils, and see, it's already starting to make flowers. This is a new David Austin rose variety that I bought. I bought this spring, or this month I bought it, and it's called Lady Salisbury. And it's really bushy and good, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of flowers from this one. So yeah. This is how my garden is doing. More daylilies here. Yeah, I want to buy a few more David Austin roses. So yeah, these are tulips. And more daylilies. Yeah, lilies and plumerias are probably my favorite. And then maybe the David Austin roses are just gorgeous. Okay, so I'll keep you updated on my plumerias, since I've seen that there isn't that much available. on plumerias, and especially plumerias growing in colder climates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.